Let's go. All the ring mode. Damn it. You son of a fortress. If you're asking what he's playing in, he's playing Ghost of Tsushima. What? And what? Oh, ah, shit! Hate that guy. Hey, no, 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 you get over there, you son of a pork. Focus on the bomb, Dante, please! Focus on the bomb, oh my god, Dante. This is all this is a new game, like all new for me actually, so I'm used to having all the crazy skills almost, like all the cool weapons and guns, like it feels weird without them, especially without Double Trigger. Come on, come on. Michelangelo. Michelangelo. Who doesn't love some good old some Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle? Snapping turtle. Oh look, it's a witch. Okay. Time to focus. I don't want to use a oh my god, I forgot about that move.